Meanwhile, Tanmay Bhatt pulled one of the crazy move. That is, आपदा को अपसर में बदलना.
I'll show you how to recreate this style of motion reel inside Adobe After Effects. Let's begin. Step 1. Create the background. First, create a new composition. Go to the Effects panel and apply Gradient Ramp. Use the same colors I'm using, or choose your own favorite colors. Now duplicate this layer and apply the grid effect. Adjust the grid size. Change the color to black. And reduce the opacity depending on your taste. This part is totally optional, but I personally use it in my videos. Step 2. Import your assets. Next, go to the Project panel and drag in your assets. First, place the assets, and then we animate them. Sometimes the assets don't look realistic, so we add a mask. Feather it slightly to make everything blend nicely. Step 3. Make image black and white. Apply the black and white effect to your image. Adjust it as you need. You can also add a tint effect if you want a specific look. Step 4. Create the circles. Create a small circle for design. Move it to the left side and fill it with a color from your composition, either a darker shade or your grid color. Turn off the stroke. Duplicate the layer. Select both layers and apply Gaussian blur. Set the blur around 3 to 4. This gives a soft and clean look. Now animate both circle layers. Add position keyframes at the beginning and at the end. Animate them differently or at the same time. It's completely your choice. Step 5. Animate smoothly. Select all the keyframes, make them easy ease, and adjust the graph for smoother motion. Step 6. Add text. Now create your text layer. For example, type Tanmay Bhatt and center it. Experiment with fonts until it looks bold and cool. Change the text color. Sometimes red looks great. Apply drop shadow to add depth. Adjust its distance and softness until it looks clean. Duplicate the text and change it. Tanmay Bhatt got one of the crazy moves. Resize the text if needed, and adjust again. Step 7. Animate the text. Add a position keyframe at the final frame. Move the text down at the first keyframe and set opacity to 0. Now the text will come from the bottom. Make all keyframes easy ease and adjust the graph. Make sure the opacity animation stays aligned with the position animation. Apply your text animation preset if you use one. If you don't know how to animate text, watch my detailed tutorial. Link is in the description. Step 8. Add the transition circle. Create a perfect circle using Shift plus drag. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Place it under the Tanmay Bhatt image layer. Add a scale keyframe and smooth it using Easy Ease. This makes a very clean transition. Step 9. Pre-comp everything. Select all layers and pre-compose them. Now add a scale animation. Zoom in around 116% and then zoom out. This gives a dynamic camera movement. Add Gaussian blur on this pre-comp for extra smoothness. If you want the assets for this video, comment below. I'll add them in the description after the video gets 100 likes. Step 10. 3D camera move. Select the layers and make them 3D. Create a null object and parent the layers to the null. Add a subtle rotation or movement to give a 3D feel. Step 11. Final Fade Out. Select all layers and animate the opacity to 0 at the end. Make the keyframes easy ease. If anything looks too fast, adjust the timing until it's smooth. And that's the final animation. We need 300 likes this video. Please like and support us.